YouTube? It's your guy, not your average trucker. Another day, another video. It is June 2026, Father's Day week down here in the Bahamas. First family vacation of the summer. You know how hard it is when you have luggage that you gotta get tidied up. Sometimes you got too much that you're trying to stick in your carry-on. Sometimes you got too much that you're trying to get in your suitcase, period. And sometimes you gotta jump up and down and get an extra person to help you zip it closed. Well, I have a problem. Well, I have a solution to that problem, I should say. I have a product that we're gonna test out, see if it's worth its weight in gold. Let's do it. Not your average trucker, baby. All right, well, this is what the luggage looks like in its current state. Let's see if this product will help us get it. Again, this is the Aerless Travel Vacuum. Can't say enough. It's very user friendly. I read 0 instructions. Literally took it out of the package, put some items in the bag, turned the vacuum on, and it did everything for me. Painless, user friendly, and clearly made a huge difference. Showed you the video of me trying to close my bag before I vacuum sealed everything, and this is with it completely vacuum sealed. Mind you, I didn't properly fold anything. I literally did it old man style, just stuffed things in the bag. So if you're really organized, really neat, you can probably get way more items and do a way better job than I did. But it's your guy, not your average trucker. Shout out to Aerless Travel Vacuum. I'll leave a link in the description. Definitely worth the money to me, not your average trucker. Y'all be easy. So again, finished product. Shout out to Aerless. I'll include the pricing and a link to purchase in the description. Shout out to Aerless for giving me this opportunity. Wonderful product, man. Wonderful product. I could see every human on earth needing a mini travel vacuum. It wasn't even loud, so that's something I could have done, you know, in the middle of the night while my family was asleep. But it's your guy, not your average trucker. Got my luggage packed up. Gonna give a last goodbye and shout out to the beautiful Bahamas. Y'all be easy.